Vidyapeeth Women's University. My specialization is pharmacology, and the today's topic is related to respiratory pharmacology. So today basically we will be seeing drugs used in treatment of common cold. So, or we can say drugs used in treatment of common cough. Now, first of all, we have to see the cough is of how much types. So basically, a brief review we will have of the cough. Cough is of two types: dry cough and productive cough. Dry cough is the cough in which the mucus do not usually comes out and only coughing gets occurred in the patient. Whereas in productive cough, patient brings some exudate outside of his or her respiratory tract. So this was the brief introduction, means what type of cough is there. Now the main topic, as we are subjecting here, basically we are studying what are the drugs used in treatment of cough. So there are basically, if we divide, first of all, I have mentioned here cough, two types: dry cough, productive cough. Just now I have explained you what is dry cough, what is productive cough, and our topic was drug used in treatment of cough. Now, so the topic is drug used in treatment of cough. Now, cough is of two types: dry cough and productive cough. Now, drugs used are pharyngeal demulcents, mucolytics, mucokinetics, bronchodilators, and antitussives. Now we will see one by one. Pharyngeal demulcent include jaggery, sugar, which ease out our respiratory tract. Then mucolytics. In mucolytics, drugs are ambroxol, bromohexine, carbocysteine, acetylcysteine. These are the drugs in which basically reduce the thickness of mucus, so which helps in removing the mucus. So among them, this ambroxol and bromohexine basically depolymerize the mucus, whereas carbocysteine and acetylcysteine breaks the disulfide linkage present in our mucus. If we see mucokinetics, mucokinetics are the agents which basically cause kinesis of mucus or removal of mucus. The drugs included in that are guaifenesin, guaiacol, etc. And now one more category is bronchodilator. Bronchodilators are the drugs which dilate our bronchi and helps in removing the cough. Now in bronchodilator, actually it is a separate category and it contains various subcategory of drugs, but here we are just reviewing the basic treatment of cough. So in bronchodilator we can say anticholinergics, then sympathomimetics. In sympathomimetics, particularly beta-2 agonists. Beta-2 agonist will include like salbutamol, terbutaline, and now if we come to next topic, which is antitussive. So antitussives are basically agents which suppresses our cough reflex. Now in this, licorice is there. Commonly Glycyrrhiza glabra is the source of the licorice. So once again, before moving forward, we will just review what we have studied. Topic is drug used in treatment of cough. cough is of two types, dry cough and productive cough. Now, drugs used in treatment of cough are pharyngeal demulcent, mucolytics, mucokinetics, bronchodilators and antitussives. Now, in pharyngeal demulcent, the drugs are jaggery, sugar, which eases out our bronchi. In mucolytics, as I told you, mucolytics are the agent which reduces the viscosity of mucus. So in that basically ambroxol, bromohexine, carbocysteine, acetylcysteine. Now ambroxol and bromohexine basically depolymerizes the mucus, whereas carbocysteine and acetylcysteine breaks the disulfide linkage in the mucus. Now if we come to mucokinetics, these are the agents which helps in removal of cough. So they basically causes small irritation above the GIT level and they cause removal of mucus. In that guaifenesin is quite important drug. Then guaiacol is also there. Tolubalsam may sometime be used. And if we come to next category, that is antitussives and bronchodilator. So bronchodilator, as I told, number of drugs are there of autonomic system, but in bronchodilator, if we categorize, anticholinergics are there, then beta-2 blocker or sympathomimetics are there, certain sympathomimetics, and beta-2 blocker, particularly salbutamol is the beta-2 blocker, which is quite commonly used. And then if we come to antitussives, in antitussive, as I told, licorice or Glycyrrhiza glabra is quite common drug which is used. So here we have studied the drugs, the major category of drugs used in treatment of cough. Now, when you have understood the mechanism and the way of working of a drug, you can automatically identify which kind of drug will be used for dry cough and which kind of drug will be used for productive cough. For dry cough, we will be using suppressant like antitussives, whereas for productive cough, we will be using agents which helps in removal of the cough, like mucolytics, mucokinetics, and as far as the pharyngeal demulcents are concerned, these can be used in all kind of cough because these are just to ease out the symptoms. So this was the brief idea about the cough and the commonly used medicine for treatment of cough. Thank you, students.